China is long-standing and well-established, and the Yellow River and Luohe River drainage area are brilliant and splendid. The East capital, Luoyang City, is the starting point of the Silk Road and famous all over the world for peony flour. Right in the 13 Dynasties capital of Chinese civilization, there is one large-scale enterprise which integrates 6 industries: coal, electric power, metallurgy, chemical, build material, and aluminum deep processing. Wanji Holding Group Company Limited. It was founded in 1987 with 10.2 square kilometers, 13,800 employees, 23 constituent companies, 20 billion RMB, both at fixed assets and sales income, and continuously 8 years with the title China Top 500 Enterprises. It has been successively awarded as AAA National Quality Credit, Chinese Credit Enterprise, Hunan Top 10 Enterprises, Hunan Province Outstanding Contribution Enterprise, etc., and ranks the 2nd economic aggregate in Luoyang City. Wanji Group relies on the abundance of coal and bauxite reserves in Shinan County, produces the advantage of electricity, gradually forms the basic architecture of coal power and aluminum industry through recent 30 years of developing from one small local thermal power plant. Wanji Group took the lead in constructing the industrial chain, coal electricity, aluminum deep processing, and extended to the fields of chemical industry and building material, etc. Wanji products cover the complete upstream and downstream of aluminum industries. Productivity of Wanji Group major products: coal annual output 3 million tons, installed power capacity 1.2 million kilowatts, annual energy output 8 billion kilowatt hours, aluminum ingot 580,000 tons, graphitized cathode 50,000 tons, aluminum oxide 1.4 million tons, anode carbon 350,000 tons, slab ingot 120,000 tons, special alloy bar 150,000 tons, aluminum hub 1.2 million pieces, high precision aluminum sheet or strip 300,000 tons, high precision aluminum foil 20,000 tons, metallic sodium 22,500 tons, titanium sponge 10,000 tons, cement 3 million tons, and fly ash building bricks 300,000 cubic meters. Wanji products have found a good sale in the USA, South Korea, Italy, Belgium, India, Indonesia, Norway, Iceland, Egypt, and South America, etc. Luoyang Wanji Aluminum Processing Company Limited applies the advanced processing technology, reasonable process layout, and highest level of equipment in China. Cold rolling line, foil rolling line, finishing lines, and high bay storage are all imported from world well-known companies such as SMS CMAG, Akinbaha, Kampf, Hercules, SMS Logistics, ABB Company, Danieli Frolin, FIMI, and Fata Hunter, etc. Equipped with advanced AFC and AGC systems, aluminum strip sheet products have high flatness and smooth surface. Thickness tolerance is less than 1.5%. Width range is from 100 millimeters to 2150 millimeters, and maximum coil weight reaches 32.7 tons. The annealing furnaces adopt nitrogen protection, which is stable in performance and can meet a range of volume needs of the customers. aluminum foil products have straight-end surfaces, fine flatness, excellent performance, and high final product rate. Width range is from 20 millimeters to 1970 millimeters. Minimum thickness is up to 0.005 millimeters, and maximum coil weight reaches 12.87 tons. Wanji brand aluminum, strip and sheet and foil products are widely applied in the fields of aerospace, machinery manufacturing, rail transit, printing image, electronics and electrical, pharmaceutical packaging, food packaging and housing construction, etc. Wanji owns independent intellectual property rights for graphitized cathode products that couple with electrolytic aluminum. Graphitized cathode products have excellent electric conductivity, thermal conductivity, sodium erosion resistance, and thermal shock resistance. Stands for the developing direction of world electrolytic aluminum industry nowadays. They have all been used on the electrolytic tank for more than 2,800 days to prove the average lifetime of the tank is much higher than applying normal negative electrode, which has special competitive advantage in non-ferrous metal industry. Sodium metal is a soft, active, ductility alkali metal, mainly used on medicine intermediate product, indigo dye, sodium methoxide, sodium peroxide, and metallic titanium, etc. It can also be used as heat conduction agent for nuclear reactor and organic synthesis reducing agent, etc. Wanji brand sodium metal applies the world first class of sodium preparation technology. Its electrolytic process applies the internationally advanced DONS 4 anodic calcium electrolysis technology. Sodium pureness reaches 99.7% and above, which is a leading position in the chemical industry. Wanji Sodium Metal Factory is one of the biggest domestic production bases. Wanji brand wins China Top 500 Enterprises. China well-known trademark. Wanji Group obtains national certificates of quality, OHS and environment, and has stable customers worldwide. In order to achieve the dream of enduring Wanji Group implements mixed ownership economy and closely cooperates with well-known enterprises and research institutes like Luoyang Ship Material Research Institute, Hong Kong Group, China United Cement Corporation, Henan Energy and Chemical Industry Group Company Limited, to win mutual benefit and build up long-term strategic partnerships. The ongoing 2 sets of 600,000 kilowatt generator unit and annual output 600,000 tons of hot continuous rolling project will become the new economic growth points. In the coming 3 years, Wanji total assets and sales income are scheduled to exceed 30 billion RMB to achieve new leaps and create new brilliant achievements on the pluralistic, circular, and sustainable development road. Be of one heart and one mind to create brilliant achievement. Regardless good times of adversity, Wanji people always clasp the time pulse, gather strength, forge ahead, and ride in the tide of reform and innovation to achieve gorgeous transformation once and again. People-oriented management philosophy and enterprise spirit, loyalty, responsibility, diligence, dedication become the inner motivation for Wanji. During the enterprise growth process, Wanji persists in organizing all kinds of arts and sports activities and carries out post-skills competition, which not only enriches the cultural life of the staff, but also improves the overall personal quality to gradually form the Wanji special enterprise culture. Wanji actively takes social responsibility to participate in charitable activities with a total sum of 100 million RMB donated to the community and a total sum of over 10 billion RMB paid taxes. Looking to the future, in the national implementation strategy of innovation-driven development and economic system deepening reform. Wanji Holdings Group grasped the historical opportunities of One Belt and One Road and actively adapts to the new normal to create basic industry upgrading to the transformation of industry of new and high technology. Stride forward with head high and chest out to realize the Chinese dream of the great rejuvenation of the Chinese nation.